Hi, hello, welcome back to AIMS Dare to Success YouTube channel, my dears. Today we are discussing about differentiation. Here, one function with respect to another function, how to do differentiating. We will discuss. Today, our concept is derivative of a function with respect to another function. ఒక ఫంక్షన్ ఇంకొక ఫంక్షన్తో ఎట్లా డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ చేస్తాము అనేది వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ మరి డెరివేటివ్ అన్నా డిఫరెన్షియేట్ అన్నా అన్నీ ఒకటే, dy/dx అన్నా ఒకటే. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ f of x is equal to e power x with respect to g of x is equal to root x. So first we can guess what are the formulas using here. Okay, my dears, d/dx of e power x is e power x only. Next, d/dx of root x is 1/2 root x. These are the formulas. Now I can continue. Given f of x is equal to e power x, okay, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d/dx of f of x is equal to d/dx of e power x. d/dx of f of x can be written as f dash of x, and d/dx of e power x is directly formula e power x. Okay. Next, given value g of x is equals to root x, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d/dx of g of x is equal to d/dx of root x. d/dx of g of x is g dash of x, and d/dx of root x is direct formula 1/2 root x. Okay, one function with respect to another function means, my dears, like this: first time derivative value divided by second time derivative value. So f dash of x by g dash of x. f dash of x value e power x divided by g dash of x value 1 divided by 2 root x. This 2 root x is going to numerator, we get it 2 root x into e power x by 1. So denominator 1, no need to write it. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now the second problem, like this we will continue. One more problem: differentiate f of x is equals to log x base a with respect to g of x equal to a power x. So first you can guess to write formulas. Okay, my dears, so d/dx of log x is 1/x, and next one, d/dx of a power x is a power x into log a, and from logarithm one more formula, log a power b can be written as log e a power e into log e power b. Log a power x can be written as log a power e into log e power x. Okay, my dears, you will continue like this. Now, a solution given f of x is equal to log a power x. So, log a power x can be written as, from this concept, log a power e into log e power x. Okay, so differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d by dx of f of x is equal to log a power e is a constant, so write outside, okay, into d by dx of log e power x. Here log e power x means log x only. Now I can take one more page, that is d by dx of f of x is f dash of x is equal to log a power e will be same. Here d by dx of log x ledu dx of log x base e, both are same. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So this value complete. Now the given value, one second, the given value g of x, f of x already completed. Another given value g of x is a to the power x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d by dx of g of x is equal to d by dx of a power x. D by dx of g of x is g dash of x. D by dx of a power x is a direct formula, a power x into log a. Now after completing g dash of x and f dash of x, we can find one function with respect to another function, means g dash f dash of x divided by g dash of x. F dash of x value is log a power e into 1 by x whole divided by g dash of x value is a power x into log a. So I think we can write all these values like this. So this part coming into this denominator, we can write 1 divided by x is same, ఇంకా a power x is same, log a power e come to denominator, log a base e into log a. Here log a means base e unnatте. So both are same to same కాబట్టి we can write 1 divided by x a power x into log a base e whole square is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. Now the next third problem. Differentiate one function with respect to another function. So differentiate f of x equal to e to the power sin x with respect to g of x is equal to sin x. Okay, so first our target, what are the formulas? So first of all, d by dx of e power ax is e power ax only, and x derivative a ki derivative a, like that e power sin x you can apply. Next, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Now continue, given value f of x is equal to e power sin x, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of e power sin x. This is what is that chain rule process. D by dx of f of x is f dash of x. Okay, my dears, d by dx of e power sin x is e power sin x only, and power value is look like x but not exactly x, so we can apply internal derivative, that is d by dx of sin x. So next, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So e power sin x into d by dx of sin x value cos x. So this is f dash of x value completed. Like that, given g of x is sin x value, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d by dx of g dash of x is equal to d by dx of sin x. So here d by dx of g of x రాయాలి. So d by dx of g of x is g dash of x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So after applying individual values, differentiating one function with respect to another function, that is f dash of x by g dash of x, f dash of x value is e power sin x into cos x divided by g dash of x value is cos x. My dears, cos x get cancelled. The remaining answer is e power sin x is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now I can take one more question, that is fourth question. Differentiate f of x is equal to secant inverse 1 divided by 2x square minus 1 with respect to g of x is equal to under root 1 minus x square. My dears, here both the functions are different functions. So first try to write formulas related to this problem. So first we get it like this: d by dx of x is equals to 1 and d by dx of sin x is equals to cos x, and later trigonometry formula 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to cos 2a, and one more trigonometry formula sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So my dears, these are the formulas. So first of all you can write it, given f of x is equal to secant inverse 1 divided by 2x square minus 1. Okay, but this is not look like in the formula. So what shall we do, my dears? Put x is equal to, put x is equal to cos theta. Okay, in this function we get it, f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to secant inverse 1 divided by 2 into x value cos theta, x square value cos square theta minus 1, which is equal to secant inverse of 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta according to that formula. And next f of x is equal to secant inverse 1 divided by cos, reciprocal of cos is secant, so 1 divided by cos 2 theta is secant 2 theta. Here one more formula we will get it, secant inverse of secant x is equal to x. This is also from inverse trigonometric functions, so secant inverse secant get cancelled, remaining value 2 theta. So here cos theta is equal to x implies theta is equal to cos inverse x. So 2 into theta value is cos inverse x. So now we can apply differentiation with respect to x on both sides. We get it, d by dx of f of x is equal to 2 is constant and the coefficient of cos square x, so right outside, into d by dx of cos inverse x, d by dx of, మనకి ఇది అవసరం లేదు. ఐ థింక్ ఏం చేద్దామంటే we will continue with directly we will continue 2 theta only. These all are related to theta కాబట్టి we will continue directly with respect to theta. Okay, with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. Why? Because right side values theta related. With respect to theta on both sides, we get this is directly f of x with respect to theta derivative. You will write like this, f dash of x. Okay, here 2 theta, 2 is the coefficient of theta, so right outside, so 2 into d by d theta of theta, this is equal to 2 into d by d theta of theta is 1, so 2 ones are 2. After that another given value is g of x is equal to under root 1 minus x square. Here also you can substitute x is equal to cos theta. Why? Because there is no formula under root 1 minus x square in differentiation, so we can use like this normal close. So we get it, g of x is equal to under root 1 minus x value cos theta, x square value cos square theta, which is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So sin square a going to right side, cos square a going to right side, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Like that, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Okay my dears, square and root get cancelled, the remaining value is sin theta. G of x is sin theta. Next differentiating with respect to theta on both sides. Okay, differentiating with respect to theta on both sides, we get g of x derivative g dash of x is equals to d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. So what shall we do my dears? Next with respect to, so first function derivative f dash of x by second function derivative g dash of x. So f dash of x value is 2 divided by g dash of x value is cos theta. Okay, 2 by cos theta. This can be written as 2 divided by what is cos theta value x. Why I am writing in terms of x means given values are related to x, but here we got answer related to theta, so that is not right answer. Okay my dear, so cos theta value is x, you can write it. So this is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly. Now I am going to explain you next question. differentiate f of x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square with respect to g of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay my dears, now we can guess formulas here. First formula tan 2a, it is from trigonometry my dears. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, and next formula from trigonometry, sin 2a in terms of tan 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, and next derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So these are the formulas. Maybe we will get it like this: tan inverse of tan x equal to x. Okay, now we will continue. Given value f of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Here also, like previous question, here related to x value outside sin inverse tan inverse, so you can take put x is equals to tan theta. We get f of x is equals to tan inverse 2x, 2 into x value tan theta divided by 1 minus x value tan theta, x square means tan square theta. Okay my dears, so then next tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is like this one, so that is tan 2 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta is 2 theta. Next f of x is equal to 2 into here theta, tan theta is x, implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, you will write it to tan inverse x. Now you can apply differentiating with respect to x on both sides. We get d by dx of f of x equal to 2 is the constant and coefficient of tan inverse x, so 2 right outside, into d by dx of tan inverse x. So d by dx of f of x is f dash of x equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, and continue with another given function, that is g of x. What is g of x value my dears? Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Here put x is equal to tan theta, na same to same you will continue here also. You got one doubt why you are taking x value tan theta in these two functions. Why? Because there is no formula in differentiation like this function tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Like this functions, when you are having, you can substitute x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta or x is equal to tan theta. You must remember like these functions. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square means put x is equal to tan theta is required value. We get it g of x equal to sin inverse of 2 into x is tan theta whole divided by 1 plus x square means tan square theta. Okay, is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is like this sin 2 theta. Okay, my dears. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta, here also you can write one more formula like this, that is sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. These are from inverse trigonometric functions. So sin inverse get cancelled, 2 theta. We get g of x equal to 2 theta is equal to 2 into what is the theta value? Tan inverse x. Now I am going to take one more page, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. We get it d by dx of g of x equal to 2 is the constant and the coefficient of tan inverse x. We get 2 right outside into d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So here d by dx of g of x is g dash of x equal to 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Next one function with respect to another function, differentiation means f dash of x by g dash of x. F dash of x value is 2 by 1 plus x square, 2 by 1 plus x square divided by g dash of x value also same to same, 2 by 1 plus x square. So numerator same, denominator same, get cancelled. The remaining answer is Ek Niranjan 1. I hope you all are understanding clearly. So this is the answer. So we have completed 5 questions, my dears. Now I can explain you 6th question. So very easy process and important concept from differentiation. Okay, my dears. Now we are having the question, the derivative of f of x equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x with respect to g of x is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, so our target is how many formulas will come related to this. So first of all, secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1, and one more formula, 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sin square a by 2, and next formula, sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, and differentiation formula d by dx of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, my dears. So maybe if you get more formulas we can write later. First of all, write given f of x is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So here also like previous question, put x is equals to tan theta. We get f of x equal to tan inverse of under root 1 plus x is tan theta, x square is tan square theta minus 1 whole divided by x is tan theta. Okay, so this can be written as tan inverse of, so secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1, so minus tan square a coming into right side, secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Okay, so under root 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So f of x is equal to tan inverse of, here my dears square root get cancelled, remaining value secant theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. Here also we are not having any formula in differentiation like this, so you can simplify tan inverse of secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. My dears, here 1 is 1 by 1. So f of x is equals to tan inverse of numerator LCM value is cos theta. So cross multiply we get it 1 minus cos theta by cos theta whole divided by same to same value, you don't disturb denominator, sin theta by cos theta. Later cos theta denominator get cancelled, we get it tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this 1 minus cos theta, this one, and sin theta you can write this one. Okay, now I wanted to write those formulas here, that is f of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by only sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Just now I showed you formulas. Okay, my dears, here 2 get cancelled and one time sin get cancelled. The next value f of x is equal to tan inverse of the remaining value, only one time sin get cancelled, another one time sin theta by 2 and divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, my dears, is equal to tan inverse sin by cos is tan, like that sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. So tan inverse tan, did we write formula? We did not write. So that is tan inverse of tan x equal to x. This concept we can use. So tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2, and next f of x is equal to theta by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into theta, which is equal to 1 by 2 into theta. Here my dears, tan theta is x, implies theta is equal to this tan going to left side slowly, tan inverse x. So theta బదులు tan inverse x రాసుకుంటే that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. Okay, f of x value they have given you like this. If you simplify at the last term, we got very small value 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So what shall we do, my dears? Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get f of x derivative is f dash of x. 1 by 2 is a constant and the coefficient of tan inverse x. We get 1 by 2 right outside into d by dx of tan inverse x. So 1 by 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So numerator to numerator multiply, 1 ones are 1, divided by denominator 2 into 1 plus x square is the f dash of x value. So my dears, next given another value g of x. G of x value is given by tan inverse x. G of x is given by tan inverse x. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get g of x derivative is g dash of x equal to d by dx of tan inverse x. Okay my dears, d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So g dash of x value completed. Next one function derivative with respect to another function derivative means f dash of x by g dash of x. What is f dash of x value? 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus x square whole divided by g dash of x value is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. My dears, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled. The remaining value is 1 by 2 by 1. So that can be written as directly 1 divided by 2 only. Okay, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Okay, now I can explain you question number 6 అయిపోయింది. Next question number 7. Okay nana, so one function derivative and with respect to another function derivative. Next the derivative of sin inverse root over x minus beta by alpha minus beta and tan inverse root x minus beta by alpha minus x. Okay, we can find. So before going to that, write formulas. First of all, d by dx of sin inverse x is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. Next, d by dx of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x, and then next d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square, and next one d by dx of u by v is equal to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v whole divided by v square. If we get more formulas we can write here. Now I can take new page. Okay my dears, so first you will write given f of x. Actually they did not give, we can write given f of x is equal to sin inverse under root x minus beta by alpha minus beta. Okay, so now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get f of x derivative f dash of x, okay nana, is equal to d by dx of sine inverse of root x minus beta by alpha minus beta. So this is a chain rule concept. This is in the form of sine inverse x. So first of all, sine inverse x concept formula 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. X means total with root x minus beta by alpha minus beta whole square. Okay, after that into d by dx of, why, because this is look like x but not exactly x, so into d by dx of root x minus beta by alpha minus beta. So f dash of x value 1 divided by under root 1 minus, here square root get cancelled, x minus beta by alpha minus beta into, this is look like d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Okay, derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x minus beta by alpha minus beta, and inside value look like x only, so again derivative, internal derivative from chain rule, so d by dx of x minus beta by alpha minus beta, f dash of x is equal to, my dears, here you will take LCM inside of the root in denominator, so 1 by under root what is LCM, alpha minus beta, so cross multiply alpha minus beta, later minus multiply inside, minus x minus of minus plus beta into 1 divided by this root you can apply individually, we get 2 root x minus beta divided by root alpha minus beta. My dears, here alpha minus beta in denominator, this is constant, so what shall we do, write outside. Okay, write outside, we get 1 divided by alpha minus beta into d by dx of x minus beta. So d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx of constant is 0. So f dash of x is equal to, my dears, plus beta minus beta get cancelled, so 1 divided by under root, here alpha minus x, okay, alpha minus x, and this root you can apply individually, divided by root alpha minus beta into 1 by 2 root x minus beta by root alpha minus beta, so this can be written as, this going to numerator, that is alpha minus beta divided by 2 into root x minus beta. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 by alpha minus beta is 1 by alpha minus beta. Okay, alpha minus beta. Now small simplification, my dears. So this part also going to numerator, we get it f dash of x is equal to, this is also going to numerator, root over alpha minus beta, already root over alpha minus beta is there, whole divided by these two are multiplying, that is 2 into root alpha minus x into root x minus beta into 1 divided by alpha minus beta. Okay, Nana? So one small concept, root A into root A is equal to A. Like that, root alpha minus beta into root alpha minus beta is alpha minus beta. So directly alpha minus beta get cancelled. Okay, so the final answer is 1 divided by 2 root alpha minus x into x minus beta. This is a first function derivative. First function derivative. Later another given value, we can take it as g of x. Another function g of x is equal to tan inverse of root over x minus beta by alpha minus x. Okay, so here you will supply differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, my dears, we get it. G of x derivative is g dash of x is equal to d by dx of tan inverse of root x minus b by alpha minus x. This is look like tan inverse x. Okay, my dears, tan inverse x derivative is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. X value is root x minus beta by alpha minus x whole square, and this part is look like x but not exactly x. So internal derivative into d by dx of root x minus beta by alpha minus x. Okay, here my dears, square and root get cancelled. Now we can take one more new page. Here we can't write. Now I can take it as g dash of x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus square root get cancelled. The remaining value is x minus beta by alpha minus x into d by dx of root, some part is there, that some part x. So derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root the some part value is x minus beta by alpha minus x. Again internal derivative. Why? Because inside of the root look like x but not exactly x. So chain rule concept. If you have any doubt from chain rule, you can go to playlist from differentiation chapter. Okay, my dears, I already uploaded so many problems related to chain rule. Okay, if you have doubt you can go, otherwise you can continue. So g dash of x is equal to, here 1 divided by 1 means 1 by 1, you can take it LCM alpha minus x. So cross multiply, we get alpha minus x plus x minus beta by alpha minus x into 1 divided by this root, you can apply individually, we get it 2 root x minus beta by root alpha minus x. So this is look like derivative of some x value, 1 by alpha minus x. So this is d by dx of u by v concept, my dears, u by v. So first what shall we write? Denominator alpha minus x into d by dx of x minus beta, after that minus x minus beta into d by dx of alpha minus x whole divided by alpha minus x whole square. Okay, g dash of x is equal to, so here plus x minus x get cancelled, so 1 by something by alpha minus x. So this alpha minus x going to numerator, as well as 1 by something by another value going to numerator, that is root over alpha minus x, divided by the remaining value is alpha minus beta into 2. So I am writing 2 first, into root x minus beta. Okay, into here alpha minus x into dy dx of x is 1 minus dy dx of beta is constant derivative 0 minus x minus beta into dy dx of alpha constant minus constant derivative 0. So then minus dy dx of x is 1 whole divided by alpha minus x whole square. So g dash of x is equal to alpha minus x into okay, here we can take cancellation, 1 time alpha minus x, here 1 time alpha minus x. So the remaining value is root alpha minus x. Okay, Nana. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into alpha minus x is alpha minus x. After that 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus x minus beta whole divided by this 2 into alpha minus beta into root x minus beta into here only one time alpha minus x cancelled, another time alpha minus x. My dears, plus x minus x get cancelled, remaining value is root alpha minus x into remaining value is alpha minus beta whole divided by 2 into alpha minus beta into root x minus beta into here we are having alpha minus x. Okay, so alpha minus x can be written as root alpha minus x, again root alpha minus x. Okay, space is not sufficient, I can write root alpha minus x into alpha minus x. Okay, done. Here into I am writing down root alpha minus x into root alpha minus x. Why? Because root a into root a is a. Why? Because numerator root alpha minus x, here one time root alpha minus x cancelled, and numerator alpha minus beta, denominator alpha minus beta cancelled. So g dash of x is equal to, there is no numerator value, that is 1 divided by 2 into root x minus beta into one more root alpha minus x. Okay, g dash of x value we have completed, and we can check first of all f dash of x is x is 1 by 2 root alpha minus x into x minus beta, as well as g dash of x also same value. So my dears, what did you observe? Both differentiations are equal, that is f dash of x is equal to g dash of x. I hope you all are understanding clearly. Okay, Nana, when you are having like this, you can remember directly answer. Okay, so when you are having like this, dy dx of sin inverse of root x minus beta by alpha minus x, you can remember this answer, 1 by 2 root x minus beta into root alpha minus x. Okay, similarly g dash of x related to g of x tan inverse of x minus beta by alpha minus x, also both answers we got same to same. Okay, what did you observe? F dash of x by g dash of x, if you do it, then they are equal to 1. Okay, so what shall we do here? F dash of x divided by g dash of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 root x minus beta into root alpha minus x divided by g of x, g dash of x also 2 1 by 2 root x minus beta into root alpha minus x. So both are same, get cancelled, answer is 1. Okay, so my dears, you can take some more problems according to this concept and try to simplify like this concept. Okay, so if you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. We will meet you in next video with a new concept, with new problems. Okay my dears, అప్పటి వరకు ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతాకి జై. జై జవాన్ జై కిసాన్. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జై హింద్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. టేక్ కేర్. బాయ్ బాయ్.